Okay, guys, again, today we will take subtract decimals, lesson 10, page 361. Now, in the previous lesson, guys, we talked how to add decimals. We said the first important thing of adding decimal, yes, is to put the decimal over the decimal. Then we arrange the numbers or the digits by order to the right and to the left of the decimals. Then we add. Today we will do the same things, okay? Today we'll do the same ideas, but in place of adding, we will subtract. So the first step, guys, put decimal point over decimal point. After we put the decimal over the decimal, this is the first step always in adding and subtracting. The second step, arrange or align the digits. Align the digits. After we align the digits, guys, around the decimals, fill the empty places by zeros. After we align the numbers or the digits, guys, if we have empty places, we fill them with zeros. And at the end, in the previous lesson, we add. Today we will subtract. Today we will subtract. Let's take example about this idea. Subtract the following decimals. For example, if we have 19.8 minus 16.9. 16.9. Now we said the first step of aligning the decimals is to put the decimal over decimal. So the first step, I'll put the decimal over decimal, then subtract like this. After that, I will put the first number. I have 1, 9, and 8. 1, 9, 8. Under of them, I have 1, 6, and 9 in arrangement, in order, 1, 6, and 9. Now we will subtract normally, as we did in normal subtraction. We start from the right always. We start from the right here, 8 minus 9. It cannot be 8 minus 9. It cannot be. So I will go to the 9 and take one of it. The 9 will be 8, and the 8 will be 18. We know that. Subtract normally. 18 minus 9 is 9. Then we have the decimal. Do not go on. No. If you have the decimal, put it directly in its place in a clear way, in a clear handwriting like this, in a clear form. Then continue subtraction. 8 minus 6 is 2, and 1 minus 1 is 0. This 0, no need to write it. It has no value. So the answer is 2.9. 2.9. This is the first example of how to do subtraction of decimals. The second example, if we have something like, if we have, for example, 6.3 minus 6.3 minus 4.78. 4.78. 6.3 minus 4.73. 78. Now the first step, we put the decimal over decimal and subtraction sign like this. After that, we'll go to the first number here, not the second number. In the subtraction, we always put the first number up and do it in addition and subtraction. It has no difference, but in the subtraction, it's important. 6.3, this is 6, and this is a 3. 4.78, the 4 will be under 6. The 7 will be under 3. And the 8 is alone like this. Now I have empty place here. I will fill it with 0. I have empty place. I will fill it with 0. So here, this is my 0 here. Now I will do normal subtraction starting from the right. 0 minus 8, it is not 8. 0 minus 8, it cannot be. It cannot be. 0 is less than 8. So 0 minus 8, it cannot be. So I'll go to the 3 and take 1. The 3 will be 2 and the 0 will be 10. We know that. Now 10 minus 8 is 2. Now 2 minus 7, it cannot be. So I will go to the 6 and I will take 1. The 6 will be 5 and the 2 will be 12. Now 12 minus 7 is 5. I have decimal. Put it, then continue. Don't continue. No, put the decimal first, then go. 5 minus 4 is 1. So the answer here is 1.52. 1.52. Now, if the number has no decimal, we said that before, if the number has no decimal, we can add decimal. For example, here, for example, if I have 9 minus 3.281, look at this example. 9 minus 3.281. The 9 has no decimal, but this number has a decimal. So I will start with the first number, put it up, but it has no decimal. I add decimal for it. I add decimal. Line, subtract. Here I have 9, so the 9 will be here. Here I have empty places. I will see how many zeros I need to add. Down I have a 3, 2, 8, 1. So here I need to add 3 zeros because I have 3 digits under of them. Now let's add the zeros and do normal subtraction. 9 point, here I need to add 3 zeros like this. Again, this 9 has no decimal. I add decimal for it, then I continue normally like the previous examples. Now I'll do normal subtraction starting from the right. 0 minus 1, it cannot be. I'll go to the 0, it has no 1. Go to this 0, it has no 1. I will go to the 9 and take 1 from it. The 9 will be 8. Do not go directly to the first 0. No, this is wrong. You will go backward. So this 1, you will take it and put it to the 0 here. It will be 10. Now take 1 of it. It will be 9. And take it to the second 0. It will be 10. Take 1 from it. It will be also 9. And put it here. It will be 10. We know that. You did that before. Now do normal subtraction. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 2 is 7. The decimal comes down. And 8 minus 3 is 5. So the answer is 5.719. 5.719. This is how we do subtraction, guys. So it's the same of the addition, which we took in the previous lesson, but with subtraction. Yes, Ahmed.
Mister, I unmute myself by mistake.
But do you understand the idea, Mister?
Yeah, I understand.
Right, good. Let's go now to page. Let's go, guys, to page 363. 363, and do question 3 together. Are you with me, Ahmed? Ahmed.
Yes, Mister.
Yalla, Ahmed. You will do question 3, page 363. Okay, so are on page, guys, 363. We will start with the question 3. Yalla, Ahmed, read.
29.3.34.
ما فيش 2 points. 29 point what?
34.
34. And down we have what? 9 under the 9.
9.
Only like this, right?
Yeah.
Type.
Yeah.
Line, subtract. Now we have missing thing here. What is it?
Put zeros.
Now here this number has no decimal also. What we need to put?
Decimal.
We put decimal under the decimal and we add zeros here and here.
Yeah.
Right? Now we do normal subtraction. Yalla ya Ahmed.
4 minus 0, 4.
4. Then
3 minus 0, 3.
tamam. Then
Decimal.
decimal. Then
0.
0. Then
2. 20.
2. Mumtaz. So the answer is 20 decimal 34. 20 decimal 34. This is question 3, guys. Thank you, Ahmed. Put decimal, guys. Fill them the places with zeros. Then you make normal subtraction. This is question 3, page 363. Copy it with us in the same way. This is question 3. Let's go to question 4 beside it. Question 4. We have 0.4 minus 0.2. 0.4 minus 0.2. This, guys, direct subtraction. We won't add anything, we won't do anything, just subtract. So 4 minus 2 is 2, then the decimal, then the 0, the answer 0.2 directly. So do question 3 and 4, guys, quickly. Let's go to question 5 now. Question 5. Do question 3 and 4, guys, and we go to question 5. 9.67, 2.35. 9.67 minus 2.35. Okay, I have Kinan. Yalla ya Kinan.
Yes, Mr.
Yalla ya Kinan. Question 5.
7 minus 5 equals to 2. 6 minus 3 equals 3. Decimal down. 9 minus 2 equals 7.
Mumtaz. So the answer is 7.32. Copy, guys. Copy. This is question 3, 4, 5. We are on page 363. It's important. Copy. Let's move to question 6 now. Let's move to question 6. Wait, guys, wait. Guys, just give me 1 minute, then I will back, please, okay? Just 1 minute, then I will back. Thank you. Sorry, guys, I just get busy for something. Now let's continue, guys. We are on question 6 now. We have what we have, guys? Yeah, we have 97 and down 16.98. Up 97, down 16.98. Subtract. Yeah, this is the question, guys. This is question 6. Let's do it now. And I will go with Abdulaziz.
Yes, Mr.
Yalla, Abdulaziz. We have 97, question 6 minus 16.98. What I will do?
Put up for 9, 0 and 8, 0, 0.
up
Good. Then
والماينس
No.
decimal
decimal. Don't forget the decimal. Because we have decimal here, so we put decimal up. Then guys, wait بالله يا عبد العزيز, wait حبيبي, wait. Guys, without decimal, we cannot add zeros. Without decimal, we cannot add zeros to the right. Why? Because if we don't have decimal and we just add zeros, what's this number will be? It was 97, now it is 9,700. But if we add the decimal, it's still 97. Got it? يلا يلا يا مستر عبد العزيز. Talk.
0 minus 8 equal 8.
How, yeah, mister? If you have 0 and I want to take 8 from you, can you give me 8? If you have nothing. Are you with me, Abdul Aziz?
Yes, mister.
If you have no money, you have no money. Okay? Means you have 0 money. And I want to take from you 8. Can you give me 8?
No.
So how come 0 minus 8 is 8? How come? How come, you mister, 0 minus 8 is 8? Hello? عبد العزيز.
Yes, mister.
يا حبيبي احكي. ما تحكي مالك سكتت. 0 minus 8 it cannot be يا ابني. Okay?
Okay.
It cannot be. It cannot be. ما بنقدر نعمل 8 من 0. كيف? How come? So what we will do now?
What we will do?
Don't tell me what we will do. Look here, Habibi, look. 0 minus 8, it cannot be. So I will take 1 to 8. Get it?
Got it.
Yalla, I will go to the 7 and take 1. The 7 will be what?
6.
And the 0, this one will be 10. Take 1 from 8, it will be 9. And this 0 will be 10. Do you understand this?
Yes.
It's normal subtraction, Habibi. Normal subtraction. Now subtract 10 minus 8.
2.
2. 9 minus 9.
0.
احكي معي بسرعة يا ابني. Decimal comes down. 6
Decimal.
minus 6.
0.
9 minus 1.
8.
Do not do 0 minus 8, 8. Do not do that, okay? Do you understand, ya Abdul Aziz? Do you understand it? راح خلص فجأة بيروحوا فجأة. يلا next question 7. Question 7. We have 42 decimal 28. 42 decimal 28 minus 51.52. 1.52. Question 7. Qassam. Abdullah.
Yes, mister.
يلا يا ابني.
Okay. We will put 0 under the 4.
Okay.
And now we will subtract. 8 minus 2 equals 6. And 2 minus 5 we cancel. We will take from the 2. It will be 1. And this will be 12. 12 minus 5, 7. A decimal. 0. 4.
ممتاز. The answer is 40 decimal 76. This is question 7. Copy it, guys. Thank you, Mr.
Thank you.
Question 8. We have 8 minus 5.78. 8 up, down 5.78. Jalal.
Mister,
Yalla ya Jalal.
yes. We have 9. The first number is 36
Question 8 حبيبي
minus,
ركز الله يسعدك.
yes, 36 without decimal.
يلا. What I will do here? Look at the board. يلا.
36 minus 7.3.
Mister, which 36? We are in question 8, page 363.
8
ركز حبيبي الله
minus
يسعدك. Don't waste my time. Go to question 8 quickly and read.
8 minus 5.78.
يلا. What I will do?
Put a decimal to the 8.
Good. Then
2 zeros because we have 2
Good.
digits.
Then
Start minus.
يلا.
0 minus 8 we cancel. We'll take from the 8. The 8
Good.
will be, the 8 will be 7 and the
أيوة.
0 will be 10. Then we'll take it again, so it will be 9. The 0 the last 0 will be 10.
Good.
10 minus 8 equals 2.
Good.
Down
Then
by 7 equals another 2.
good. Then
7 by 5 equals another 2.
so the answer is
2.22.
excellent boy. This is question 8, guys. Copy it, please.
Thank you.
Let's do more. Let's go to question 9. الوليد.
Yeah, Mister.
يلا. What we have in question 9?
We have question 9, 36 minus 7.3.
7.3 equal line, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. What I will do, mister?
First, we will put 3 decimal 6. 6. 3 decimal 6.
Here between them?
No, no, no. First, we will bring 36. 36
I
down.
36. Then
Second, we will bring 7 decimal 3.
where I will put the 7?
Down of the 3.
لا يا mister, this is wrong. This is wrong. Yeah, mister, this number has decimal.
No, no, no.
Where we will put the decimal for it?
يعني beside the 6, beside the 6 in the middle.
Beside the 6 here, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Now the second number, how will I put it here? Tell me.
We will put the 7 down of the 6.
7 under the 6, not under the 3. Focus يا وليد.
Yeah, I said
Focus يا وليد. وليد. Focus, focus, focus. يلا, next.
we will put the
Decimal
decimal
3. Then
we will put a 0 and we'll put down of the 3 0.
look now to the board. Do you understand it?
Yeah, yeah, I understand.
يلا, continue now.
3 minus 0, it cannot. So we take from the 6.
Wait. What you say? 3 minus 0?
No, I said 0 minus 3.
ايوه ضبط كلامك. 0 minus 3. يلا.
It cannot. So we take from the 6, it will be 5. It will be the 0 10. 7, it will be 7. 5 minus 7, it cannot.
No, 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 you mister. No, no, you get wrong.
Now we put now the decimal down.
Now you continue.
Yeah. 5 minus 7, it cannot. So we'll take from the 3, it will be 2. It will be 15. 15 minus 7. It will be 8 down. We'll put it. Now we'll put the 2 down. 2 down.
Read the answer.
28 decimal 7.
ممتاز. Do you understand it, يا وليد?
I understand it.
طيب يلا. Put the answer, guys, in the line up here after the equal. Put your answer 28 decimal 7. So align and do the subtraction down of the question. Take the answer and put it on the line up. Right. This is question 9. We'll go to question 10 now. Mazen. يلا read the question يا مازن. مازن. علي صوتك حبيبي لا تنام. يلا. What we have in question 10? Read.
5 decimal 6 minus 3 decimal 5.
يلا. How I'll align here? Tell me.
We'll put 5 decimal
No.
6.
No.
We'll put decimals. 2 decimals.
Decimal over decimal. Line subtract. Then
We'll put 5 and 6. And down we'll put 3, 5.
ممتاز. يلا. Do subtraction.
6 minus 5, 1. And decimal and 2. 2.
ممتاز. The answer 2.1. Put your answer on the line here. 2.1. This is question 10. Let's go to question 11 now. 19.86 minus 9.94. Yalla, after Mazen, we have Omar Samir.
Yes, Mister.
Yalla, ya Omar.
Read.
Yalla, ya Omar.
19.86. We will put 18.96 up.
No.
Decimals first.
Huh?
Decimals.
Aywa. Decimal over decimal, line, subtract. Then
19 decimal 86. And 9 down the 9.
Aywa.
Decimal 94.
ممتاز. Yalla, subtract now.
6 minus 4 equal to 8 minus 9 we can't, so we'll take from neighbor. It will be 18, yes. 18 minus 9 equal 9. Decimal. We'll take from the 1. It will be 0. 18 minus 9 equal 9.
So the answer is 9.92. ممتاز يا عمر. 9.92. This is the question 11. Let's go to question 12 now. Question 12. We know this idea. We need to find the value of b. So we'll subtract and put the value after the equal. So we have 15.00 minus 6.24 equal the variable b. This we call it variable, guys. So b equal here line. Down here we will align, subtract, do everything, and find the value of b here. Muhammad Samir.
Yes, Mister.
Yalla, quickly.
We put the decimals.
Okay.
We put 15 decimal zeros to zeros. 6 decimal 24. 0 minus 4 we can't. We can't take from the another 0. We take from the 5. 5 will be 4 and okay. 10 minus 4 equals 6. 9 minus 2 7. 4 minus 6 we can't.
No.
Decimal. 4 minus 6 we can't. We take from the 1. 1 will be 0. 14 minus 6 we 8. And we 0 minus 0 0.
No need to write it. So what's the value of b?
B 8 decimal 76.
8.76. This is the value of b, guys. This is question 12. Now, because I'm running off time, I still have 2 minutes only. So I will go to question 13 and 14. And you do the align and everything, guys. You do the aligning and everything, but I'll give you the final answer. K will be 1.48. 1.48. And in question 14, T equal 29.95. T equal 29.95. So do the alignment down here and here, and you will find these answers. So do them as exercises for you. In question 13, K is 1.48. And in question 14, T is 29.95. This is the page, guys, in the subtraction. Now, beside it, we have some problem solving. If you read it, guys, question 15, it has important question. I want you to focus on it. Ziad, بسرعة يا زياد, read question 14.
Yeah, sir.
Read the question 14 بسرعة. 15 آسف.
8 point. First, we have to put decimals.
Mr. question 15. Read it. الله يسعدك. ضيعش وقت فيه.
15.
لا إله إلا الله.
Use the table to find out how many more people there
بس stop. Use the table to find out how many more. When you see this question, guys, how many more means we will do what? We will do what, Ziad?
We will do subtract.
Subtract. So the question, how many more, means subtract. So how I will know the subtraction, guys? How many more? Or the difference. Keywords. In the addition, sum, total, all, something like this. This is how we deal with the problem solving in addition and subtraction. I'm sorry, guys, I'm finished with my time is finished already. Thank you so much and see you tomorrow, inshallah. Do your homework, guys. Don't forget that. Goodbye for all.